My name is Aurora Corona. I am the production chair for this year's 2026 Congress of Neighborhoods. We're inviting everyone. We want to give you a look at what we have here. There you go. Show us. We're collecting your t-shirts, Neighborhood Council t-shirts. We need your t-shirts. We're going to be making the quilt for this year as our backdrop. And if you don't participate this year, we're going to leave room for next year. Here's my partner in crime.
Hi, my name is Elaine Alanis, and I am the program coordinator for this event. We look forward to getting your t-shirts. It's a very exciting time, and we hope that we're able to give you all of the speakers that will engage you and make this season for this Neighborhood of Congress a very good one, and also one that is for our from challenge to change, and we're changing up our t-shirts, so the more that we can get, the better we can make a bigger and better quilt.
That's right. From challenge to change is our slogan. We're focusing on what the councils have said in their survey. They want to see more of public safety and security. So here we go. Let's take a quick scan at all of our participating neighborhood councils with their t-shirts. All right, Elaine.